I'm standing under is the CTS-V Coupe from Cadillac. Now, the thing makes ungodly amount of horsepower, bone stock. But for you out there, as well as us being in here, that's just not good enough. We made our system modular, so you can do it in stages if you want. You can start off with our 3-inch cat back, which incorporates 3-inch midsections to the OEM location, out to a set of 14-inch 304 stainless steel mufflers, and then exiting in our double-walled 4-inch tips. For the true horsepower junkie, buy it once, buy everything the first time. You'll get our headers, 304 stainless steel, mandrel bent, stamp merge collectors with a velocity spike, our catted connection pipe, 200 cells per square inch, guys, 304 stainless, to a laser cut 304 stainless 3-inch X pipe. Now what an X pipe does is it balances out the torque curve of the motor. With the supercharged motor, it really helps basically a smooth transition of the curve if you would look at it on a dyno. Then that goes into 3-inch midsections to a set of our 14-inch oval mufflers, exiting to the 4-inch tips. What you're listening to right now, this is 4th gear at 65 miles an hour. If you notice, there's no interior drone, there's no resonance throughout the vehicle.